I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Groundhog's Day, Tuesday, the 2nd of February. And let's see here. All right, if the groundhog sees his shadow, he's afraid, he runs back in, and there's 6 more weeks of winter. If he doesn't, then winter is over. We'll see. Let's look out the window this morning. Did I get that right? I think I did. There's the Chehaw sky cam. And it's cloudy up there with some fog up on top of the big mountain. Down in Auburn, low clouds are hanging over the city. And way down in South Alabama, in Greenville, the Camellia City, it's cloudy. So it looks like most of the Alabama groundhogs will not see their shadow. And winter is over, but I don't know. The Arctic Oscillation might dispute that theory. There's a look at the water vapor satellite shot this morning. You can see a big trough moving through. That's the one that brought the light rain last night. Very light. Many spots without enough rain to measure, just barely enough to wet the pavement. Temperatures morning mostly in the 40s. Birmingham 46 at 5 o'clock. The cool spot Haleyville at 39. And around the nation, seasonal conditions. But again, we note it's pretty cold over Canada. We see some temperatures up there below, well, I see a minus 33. I'll put it that way. And again, we'll have to watch that air. But for now, nothing extremely cold expected for the next week. And around the nation, pretty quiet. The main issues to the northeast of here, those winter weather advisories for some light snow and freezing rain over parts of North Carolina and Virginia this morning. All right, there's our QPF chart. Expected rain over the next 5 days, valid through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock. Looking at about 1.5 inches of rain here statewide. Heavier totals east and west. Let's check the modeling here. This is the 06C GFS at noon today. And the little impulse that brought the light rain last night is off to the east. Down below that, the rain is off to the east as well. And we think after a cloudy start this morning, the sky becomes partly sunny later today. High should be in the low 50s, maybe mid-50s. Tomorrow, we are in between waves, so a nice day, but you can see how the southern branch is cranking out the hits. Here's the next one over Texas. And Thursday, there's your trough to the west. And there's your rain. Surface low developing south of Lake Charles. Looks like rain moves in during the day, becoming widespread by Thursday afternoon. There's Thursday night at midnight. That surface low is approaching Mobile. And that should be a good soaking rain Thursday night if this is right. And then Friday, the surface low is near really Marietta, Florida. Heaviest rain off to the east. That would be a day with kind of cloudy and cool conditions and maybe a chance of some light rain or drizzle at times during the day. And then Saturday, that low is long gone, but in the wake of that, the model's still suggesting maybe enough moisture for a few sprinkles or flurries over North Alabama. So for now, we've got clearing in the forecast on Saturday, but if this is right, I don't know, might not clear. And it's going to be a colder day. The high only in the low and mid-40s with clouds much of the day. So kind of a raw day there on Saturday. And then Sunday, finally, the sun comes back. The high should be in the mid to upper 40s. Monday of next week, here comes the next impulse, and the 540 line is below Birmingham. So precipitation type might be an issue there. That does not look like a major storm system, but one that could produce a little light snow or light rain. Monday night, the bulk of that is already off to the east. And Tuesday, we turn colder. Look at the cold air flooding in here. If that's right, we won't get out of the 30s a week from today. A few days later on the 12th, there's your next Gulf of Mexico storm, and we have to wonder if that might be a potential winter weather problem for somebody across the deep south. No way of being specific now, of course. That's way out there beyond 7 days. And on the next day, look at that. Boy, that just tells the story of the season, doesn't it? You got the northern branch delivering the cold air and the southern branch with a big storm out there west of Los Angeles. And again, I don't know, it looks pretty interesting there. On the 17th, same deal, 2 distinct branches, the northern branch with the cold air, southern branch with the storms. And again, you get the idea that somebody, and I'm not saying it'll be us, but somebody across the deep south might have multiple chances for winter weather mischief later this month. There's the Arctic Oscillation way down low at mid-month, which is a sign it could be colder than the operational GFS is showing us. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog, the next video by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Each day there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.